how to make a Facebook page private invite only. So if you want to make a Facebook page private invite only, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, now you need to go with your page. So go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you need to switch to your page. Now once you're on your page, again, go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now scroll all the way down, and then you will have an option of settings, which is right here, settings and privacy. Tap on it, and then tap on settings. Now here you need to scroll down and then find audience and visibility section. Once you're on your audience and visibility, here you can see the option for page and tagging. Tap on it. Now you can see who can post on your page. Make sure that you set this to only me and not everyone, which is right here. Tap on it and then select only me. Go with save, which will be on the bottom. Also toggle all the options such as allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. Turn this off. Allow others to share your post to that story. Turn this off. Make sure you set everything to only me and then turn everything off under page and tagging. This will make your Facebook page private and it will not be visible to other people. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.